Hey everyone! Have you ever tried brainstorming content ideas without a visual aid? It's like trying to decorate your new apartment during a blackout. Today, we will talk in depth about the ContextMinds lifetime deal, which is a game changer in the content planning world. Whether you're a seasoned pro or starting out, you'll want to take advantage of this deal. Let's work together to determine how ContextMinds can boost creativity and productivity. What is ContextMinds? ContextMinds makes brainstorming and organizing content for everything from blog posts to marketing campaigns easier. It offers AI-generated topics and keywords in real time, along with search volume and keyword difficulty stats. No more jumbled notes or chaotic brainstorming sessions. It's the perfect tool for creative minds who want to streamline their content planning. Trust me, once you try ContextMinds, you'll wonder how you got along without it. Lifetime deal on AppSumo. Official regular pricing is over $228, but on AppSumo, it's just $69. This is a one-time single payment. Now let's look at all the features you'll get with this deal. On AppSumo, you can choose from different tiers. License Tier 1. Tier 1 is a one-time purchase of $69, originally valued at $228. This is suitable for individual content creators or small teams. 6,000 topic and keyword lookups per month. Powers 500 web and AI article suggestions per month. 500 AI-generated prompt responses per month. 1 internal user. 1 workspace. 5 GB file upload limit. License Tier 2. Tier 2 is available as a one-time purchase of $138, offering more robust features for larger teams. 12,000 topic and keyword lookups per month, 5,000 web and AI article suggestions per month, 5,000 AI-generated prompt responses per month, 3 internal users, 3 workspaces, 15 GB file upload limit. License Tier 3. Premium Tier 3 is available for a one-time purchase of $207, perfect for agencies or large teams. 20,000 topic and keyword lookups per month, 10,000 web and AI article suggestions per month, 10,000 AI-generated prompt responses per month, 6 internal users, 7 workspaces, 30 GB file upload limit. All plans include unlimited private maps, AI idea generation, keyword metrics, SERP results, file uploads, and more. The link in the description provides more details on the AppSumo offer. Limited time special pricing starting at $69. Pricing increases soon. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. 5. Most important features that make ContextMinds special. Automated idea generation. Say goodbye to writer's block. Get AI-generated topics and keywords in real time. Visual mind mapping. Organize your ideas visually, making complex projects easier to manage. Topic and keyword metrics. Get detailed insights on search volume and difficulty directly in your mind map. Collaboration. Share mind maps with clients or teammates to align on content strategy. Export options. Save your maps as PDF, PNG, SVG, or text document and share them easily. People who can benefit from ContextMinds. Bloggers, content creators, marketers, small business owners, freelancers, teachers, consultants. Do you fit the bill, or do you know someone who does? Look into the world of ContextMinds and watch your creativity soar. AppSumo's limited time offer. 10% extra discount awaits. Got your eyes on the ContextMinds lifetime deal over at AppSumo? Well, guess what? I've got some spicy news for you. Extra 10% off alert. Yep, you're not dreaming. In addition to that sweet $69 deal, you can get an extra 10% off. How to grab this deal? Visit AppSumo's ContextMinds lifetime deal offer. Look for a cheeky pop-up box. Type in an active email address. Always use the same email address. Check your email to find the 10% off promotion. So, why wait? Jump in and let those savings roll. Reviews: that ContextMinds lifetime deal on AppSumo. Are you still waiting? So sad. Don't miss out. Secure your lifetime deal now before it's too late. Check out the description, explore the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and are interested in more tech tutorials and reviews, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.